Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see from the title, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and we're going to be doing two unboxings. We have two boxes here, May box and the June box. So let's jump right into the video. So while I open this, where's the scissors? I just had the scissors. While I open this box, let me tell you how I ended up getting both of these boxes. My sister-in-law wanted one of the boxes, so I reactivated my account to get the May box. But then I remembered I was getting my April box, so I decided to give her the April box and to just unsubscribe. But I did not unsubscribe fast enough, and I was billed for May and June because it was the end of May, and so yeah, that's how I ended up with both boxes. But this is the May box, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, we have two things at the top of the box. I know that because it was so late in the month, they may have just thrown extra stuff in the box, like whatever extra leftovers, repeats they would have thrown. There is no card in here, as you saw, so I'll just put the prices on screen while I talk. So the first thing we have is a Deborah Lippmann nail polish set, and the two shades are Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. So this is the shade Fire on the Horizon, and this is the shade Can't Stop the Feeling. Good thing I bit off my nail polish. Can't Stop the Feeling, Can't Stop the Feeling, and Fire on the Horizon. Why can't I move my... I can't move this finger. The next thing we have is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this is from Wonder Beauty. I already have this. I think I got it in last year, 2019 February's Boxycharm. So I'm just going to pass this along to somebody else. So I'm going to keep this, and when we reach the 200 subscribers, I am going to have a giveaway. Maybe. Don't hold me to that, please. The next thing we have is this box, and it's Murad. So it's from Murad Cosmetics. I know this is very expensive, so I'm just gonna let me just pretend that I can see the price, and then I'm gonna be shocked. This nail polish is already dried down. Wow, that's very quick. But it's the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So it's an eye cream. So this is what that looks like. This is so funny. To use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. Warning, avoid contact with eyes. It's an eye cream, so okay. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very thick, and it looks moisturizing, and it's good that it's filled up to the brim. The third thing in this box is, what is this? From English Laundry number 7. I have never heard of this. I don't know if it's the number 7 brand, because I've heard of the number 7 brand, but I don't know. It's a perfume. Oh, it's a perfume. I don't know. Up to today, it smells nice. Up to today, I was telling a friend that all perfumes smell the same to me. I don't know why. I guess it's something wrong with my eye. With my eyes? Do you smell with your eyes, Joanne? So the last thing in this box is a palette. So it's from Pure Cosmetics, and it's a highlight and contour palette. Before I even open this, I'm going to tell you that I'm positive these shades for contour might not be suitable for my skin complexion. Wait, I am so shocked. Look at this. I think this is gonna fit me. Oh my gosh, all of that big talking I did, and now I have to shut my mouth. But I don't like how it looks. If you guys see, the palette looks very dirty, especially around like the contour shades. It looks like it may have spilled or something, but it's wiping off. We're gonna pray. Let's all take a moment and say a prayer for my face. Amen. That is everything from this box. I'm just gonna put the total value for this box on screen because I have no idea what it is. Now let's jump into the June box. Oh my gosh, and we have a card. Okay, good. That is perfect. So the theme for this month is the Oasis. Let's go into, first of all, I'm so happy. So we have a product from Touch and Soul, and this is the Pretty Fitters Glass Skin Balm. So it looks... Let's ignore the neighbor children. It smells like cream. It smells like lotion, like the normal scent that lotion has. That's what it smells like. The next thing we have is from In Beauty. Let's open this up. I don't want to break my nail, so I'm gonna break my teeth. So it says that it helps to set makeup, energize and revive skin, and it filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. So I'm gonna let's see what the spray looks like. Sorry, some went in my mouth. So it's cruelty free and vegan. That is very good. The next thing we have is Cover FX glitter drops. I have this. You know I have this. You've seen me struggle with this multiple. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. It is so pretty. So this is in the shade Lunar. It's on the box. So it's in the shade Lunar. Why does the pump never work? What is the purpose of it then? So I just put like one little dot. Let's see how this works out. Okay, can you guys see? I think you could see it. I really hope you guys can't hear that music because somebody just parked their vehicle and they're just blasting music, and then these neighbor children just don't rest. We have a brush set, and this is from Alamar Cosmetics because I could see it. It's a 3-piece brush set, the Hojitos brush trio volume 1. So we have a flat brush, straight topped flat brush, fluffy blending brush. Then the last thing in the box, because I've been talking so long and we've not done anything else, we have this. What is this? Beauty Vault Circadian. Learn to read, girl. Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio, and these are the shades. Really pretty. I'm gonna put the price of that June box on screen, and let's just get into trying on all of these products on my face. So we're gonna start with the Murad Hydrating Eye Cream, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my ring finger. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed because they said don't get it in your eyes. So the next thing we're gonna go in with is the Touch and Soul Glass Skin Balm. I'm just going to rub this in. So it gives my skin a glow. Yes, you can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is my Wonder Beauty Glow Illuminating Face Oil, and this is the one that came in the box. And as you can see, there is a big difference in the color because mine has exposure to sun, so it loses some of the color. I'm using this for a while, and I usually put it on the highest parts of my face. So it has glitter reflex in it. I know that glitter reflex can work in 2 ways, where it can either blur your skin or it can cause that area to look highlighted. So I treat it like if it's going to make the area look highlighted, because I think that's how it looks on me. I am going to use the Cover FX glitter drops under my foundation. Put it on my finger, and oh my god. What do I really expect? I'm going to let this dry. I look galactic. Gosh, I like this one. So let me go put on my foundation, and the one I'm going to be using is the BH Liquid Foundation in the shade Warm Chestnut 227, and I am going to do everything else and come back to use the face palette. So let me show you the glitter. It had stuck in one place, but I think the powder puff got it, so it started picked up some of the glitter, so it spread around my cheeks area, but it's still really pretty. Even though with all of that powder that I powdered on my face, you can still see it, and it's not as extreme as the other one that I have. It's a really strong mist. I have to say that it's a strong mist. So the palette we're going to be using to test out these brushes is the Prestige palette from Suva Beauty. This is one of the first palettes I've gotten from Boxycharm, and if we're going to start with the shade Aesthetic. We're going to be doing some kind of look today. I don't know. If you guys are wondering what the hell I'm doing, I don't know. Well, we're gonna see. Okay, so this is the look I was able to create. It's a bit different. I've not done anything like this on my channel before. Very simple though. When I was blending out this line initially, the Cover FX glitter like mixed with it, and I just love the way that it looks. It looks like there's just a sparkle, a sprinkle of glitter all over. I never realized how unpigmented the glitters in this palette are, but that's not important. The brushes, I liked the brushes, especially this angle brush. It really picked up that burgundy color and deposited it very precisely. So this is a nice brush. I'm not sure if it's the brush or if it's the glitter to be blamed, if it's the shimmer to be blamed, but I don't know. And this was easy to blend out. This blended out the edges really easily and quickly. So to sculpt my face, we're going to use the Pure Sculptor, and we are going to start with the shade, we're going to go in with the shade Inventor. So this is the side with it and this is the side without. Can you see a difference? Something smells nice. I don't know what it is, but then I'm going to use the same brush to go in with the shade Founder. For lips, I'm going to use a mixture of these, and we are going to start with, which one? Let me see. We're going to use the two lighter shades. So we are going to go in with Boo Babe. They're pretty soft. It's pretty soft. Then we're going to go in with the shade Cozy Kira. The lip liner is okay, but it's just the color. Does it go with this eye? So I'm just going to pop some Wet n Wild lip gloss. And because I'm lazy to get up again, I'm going to go in with this same eyeshadow brush that I used, and I am going to use the shade Trailblazer as my highlighter. My face does not look good. I don't know if it's because of all the skincare products that are underneath, but it does not look good, especially around my mouth. Listen, I'm gonna come close, and I apologize now, but we just have to deal with it. If you see around my mouth, like the foundation is just not sticking. You could see like the darkness, especially at the top where my moustache is. I said it once and I'll say it again, I am not fond of this foundation at all. So my final thoughts, I really liked majority of what came in my box. Everything worked the way it was supposed to work. My June box was way better than my May box, so if you want to know which one I prefer the June box. My favorite thing from the May box would have to be the nail polishes, because they dried pretty fast and they're pigmented. You can go in with more than one coat, but I really like them, how quickly they dry, how fast they dried. My favorite thing from my June box would have to be, where is it? Surprisingly, it's the Cover FX glitter drops. I am so surprised by the way this one worked out. It's subtle, but it has a va-va-voom. It's kind of, what am I trying to say here? It's subtle, but it's still amazing. This smells like either soap water or Pepsi. And I also enjoyed the glass skin from Touch n Soul. I love Touch n Soul products, so I don't think there's anything that they can make that I would hate. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I just rambled on about nothing. Most important thing you should know, should you invest in getting a Boxycharm, subscribing to Boxycharm, if you have the extra change that you can sacrifice every month, then yeah, no problem, go right ahead, because you're going to be exposed to different brands, you're going to be exposed to different products, things you would have never been able to afford, because I would not be able to afford a lot of the things that I purchase, that I get from my Boxycharm boxes. But if you already have an extensive makeup collection and you're just not interested in getting more makeup, then don't do it. But for all the persons out there that have a small makeup collection, this has really helped my collection to grow. So that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Have a faithfully blessed day. Bye guys.